Wanna know how to make your Tellonym account private? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on more option just above logout. Scroll down. You can see all of the privacy options available here. You can see that you can allow anonymous usage statistics, allow emails other than transactional, allow others to find you through your phone number, even allow others to find through your location, and even so active status. If you want to make your account completely private, all you have to do is tap on this sliding icon one by one on the right corner and choose off your own just the way you want to keep it. So that's it. After doing it, you can see that all of the privacy related options has been enabled. So your account is completely private now. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.